Protection and job site prep. A lot of homeowners ask me, why do we spend so much time prepping your home before the insulation goes in? Well, for us, the project doesn't start when the insulation goes in. It starts the moment we walk through your front door. And so that's why we have home protection and job site prep on your quote. We take very specific steps that we've walked through and thought through to protect your floors, your walls, any living space area that we're going to be in. And this could be floor runners, shoe covers as needed, and really just keeping our equipment and hoses contained. So although insulation work isn't quite as, let's say, messy as some other home construction projects, that doesn't mean we shouldn't take precautions. We want your home to look the same or better when we leave as it did when we arrived. So we want to keep this work area organized throughout the job. And before we pack up, we clean up the work areas before we go with a vacuum. I always say that great insulation work isn't just about the insulation. It's about how we install, and it's about how we treat your home from the moment we show up to the moment we leave. And that is our standard.